Dubrovnik. Pwede maka-picture dito. And this is the marketplace buffet area. Saan tayo, right or left? Tinang ko lang na yan.
Meron silang omelette doon. Ayun, doon ang art station. Dito lang tayo.
The pool with the big screen TV. You can watch a movie while in the pool. Pero walang show dito. Another Instagrammable. We're going to check the gamer zone. What's in there?
Ah, thanks.
We'll play games. We'll play games. PlayStation controls are available from. Oh my gosh, you have to still go to reception. Right. How about here? What's in here? You can just sit
Relax,
here.
relax lang dito.
Push. You can play games. Ano gusto mo? Ay, gusto mo to?
Oh, domino. Saan yan domino?
Saan?
Ito.
Let's play here. Ilagay mo dyan. makaupo lang dito.
Yan pala, ano dito? Asan yung casino nila?
And relax.
Asan yung casino?
Oh, hanapin mo. Hanapin mo, dito muna ako. I want to sit here and relax.
Also put weight on that leg. Yeah, and change leg for another one. So we have, that's already time to say left, right, and after we need to change our leg and go after from the right leg. And the same here, we have changed our left leg for the left one. Yeah.
But we put our feet together, not outside. Okay, try again from the left leg.
Maybe some people from the back line, you can be more in the side, it will be easier for you to watch. Yeah, in my opinion, sorry.
Okay, feet together from the left one and let's go. Front, side, together and backward on the right. Side, together and left, side, together and right. Side, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And front, side, together and back, side, together. Yeah? Okay?
So, some people who was already on the slow waltz lesson, yeah, we have the same square as we did in the slow waltz. Yeah, totally the same. So it's already a little bit easier for you to do it.
Yeah. Just one thing what we have the difference is about our time and about the count. In slow walk we have 1, 2, 3. All steps for each count. In the foxtrot,
Stand, side together, stand, side together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, back together, roll, cross, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, step, step.
Hindi ka elegant.
Back together, roll, cross, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, step, step. Back together, roll, cross, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, step, step. Back together, roll, cross. Okay.
And now we're going to try shock. Shock, shake.
Yung ano ka, dapat dito ka sa kabila.
Shock, snack shock. Snack shock. You want fish and chip, chicken and wings?
They have hot.
And try shock. I'm going to order. You can have create your own pasta. I want carbonara. Mushroom, pepperoni. We'll check. We'll go shopping.
That's the meal.
Oh, that is same.
Yeah, it's the same.
That is the same. Oh my gosh.
Eh, dapat makita yung sushi para ikaw may ari.
Shout out po dyan sa Pilipinas. Hi, baby, mommy. See you soon. Thank you po. Thank you for dining in Umi Sushi.
Hello guys, binabati ko nga pala yung mga pamilya ko dyan sa Bulacan, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Kahomeboys, Kahomeboys TV.
Hello.
Motive mo ano.
Hello to mga taga Palawan and Philippines. I'm here in the Marina Explorer.
Binabati ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay sa Pilipinas. Okay lang kami rito. Andito kami.
Ang sisipag ng mga yun.
Uwi ka na ba?
Ay, di po.
Thank you.
Kasi daan niya, nagtrabaho sa cruise ship niya, nakilala sila madam. Taga-Bohol ko, parehas mi nila madam, ug sir.
Inahay sa imong asawa.
Ay, ninyo tanan, thank you.
Ina-miss ka na ako.
Ay, naman daw mo. Sir,
Saan ka sa atin?
Taga Laguna po, Laguna Cavite.
Ah, okay.
Sabi mo hi.
Hello po sa mga subscribers ko.
Meron ka bang ano, YouTube channel? Or...
Wala po, wala.
Meron si ano eh, kilala mo si Daniel.
Daniel, nag-ano rin po si Daniel. Tawag
Si
tayo
Joseph siya yung aming waiter dito.
Opo.
Thank you,
Panorin ko po
Joseph.
yan. Thank you po yan.
Oh, pero matagal pa yun eh. Mga 6 months pa.